Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you how to make chicken, broccoli, and spinach stir-fry noodles. The ingredients we're using are chicken breast, one of my special blended seasonings, olive oil, whole wheat spaghetti, frozen broccoli, and mixed vegetables, spinach, and stir-fry sauce. Alright, let's get started. Start by boiling the water. Water at high temperature. Also add a few shakes of salt, and a few drops of olive oil into the water, so it can prevent the noodles from sticking once it's inserted. As for the chicken, let's start by seasoning it. First, we use pink Himalayan salt, and some crushed black pepper and ground black pepper. Then we add in our Italian seasoning, onion powder, excuse you.
Sorry.
That's fine. Garlic powder, some crushed black pepper, and crushed red pepper. Give it a little kick.
Okay, no problem.
And some adobo.
Hey. There's the bathroom.
And Saison. Mix in the chicken with the ingredients. With the seasonings like so. Alright, now let's cook our chicken. First, add a few drops of olive oil onto the pan like so. And spread it out with a rubber spatula. Actually, or a kitchen brush.
Kelly?
What about Kelly? Yeah.
Now once the chicken starts sizzling, stir it around the pan like so. Stir around like so, because this helps the chicken cook evenly. Each piece of the chicken cook evenly. Alright, the water's steaming. Let's start. Let's put in the noodles.
That's the wait time. 1:35. Where's the 1:37?
First, you grab a handful of pasta. Grab it at both ends and break in half.
That's hard. That's hard. You have to be strong. You're strong, man. too far.
Whoops. Yeah, when you're stirring pasta, be careful with splashes. Alright, the chicken and spinach. So we're gonna put them in this bowl and set it aside for now. Next are the vegetables. Okay, the pasta's al dente. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside for now. All right, when you're cooking the vegetables, always make sure you stir it around like so. So the vegetables are cooked and melted. Next, put a handful of spinach into each of the pans. Alright, looks like the vegetables are cooking up real nice. Then in our chicken. Next thing we add in our stir fry sauce. Mix it in. Alright, it looks like this pan is done. Let's set our bowl. Okay, first, yeah, we bring in our spaghetti.
Nice.
Spaghetti into this bowl. Take a scoopful of this chicken. Scoop of the curry. The curry, broccoli, spinach, vegetables. Mix it all. Mix it all in with a little fork. And just like that, we got ourselves a bowl of chicken, broccoli, and spinach stir-fry noodles.